T-Mark manual coffee grinder, hand portable bean mill stainless steel handle adjustable ceramic brew assembly for travel. Built-in adjustable grind selector. You have precision control over the coarseness of your pour-over, drip, Chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, AeroPress, Turkish, Espresso, Keurig K Cup, Burr, or spice grind. No batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed to operate your portable compact coffee grinder, allowing you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip. Convenient removable hand crank mechanism consistently eliminates over 90% of the noise that electric grinders produce. Imagine grinding your favorites roast quietly in an office cubicle or in your kitchen when your loved ones are fast asleep. Will retain coffee essential oils to give you the perfect flavor in a fresh cup of coffee is the best way to start and go through your day. The body, handle and internal components are built with food-grade stainless steel and acrylic to give you a product that is durable and ensure you have a product to grace your kitchen for many years. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.